In this video, we'll show you how to enable the Print Spooler, and it's a very simple process. All you have to do is go into the search bar and search services.msc, and then there's going to be the services desktop app. Once you launch that, you're going to full screen it. There's going to be a lot of services, but the one that concerns you the most is the Print Spooler. So you click anywhere and type P, and then scroll down to Print Spooler. Likewise, you can also go and just scroll down until you find it. But this is a much faster way if you just type P, and then it's going to go to the first option that says P, and then you'll have Print Spooler here. All you have to do is hit Properties and set the startup type to automatic. By default, it's going to be on disabled, so just set it to automatic, hit Start, and then that's as easy as it is. All you have to do is right click it and hit start here. That's another option that you can do, but that's just the easy way to enable the Print Spooler. So in case you need to have that enabled, there you go.